If you're dealing with bloating, gas, or a fussy belly, try adding some of these 5 beneficial foods to your diet to help calm things down. Whether it's some food that doesn't sit well with us, anxiety, overeating, or stomach virus, most people will struggle with an eat belly at some point in their life. Other accompanying symptoms are indigestion, diarrhea, constipation, and nausea. This is when we need as much relief as possible. Luckily for us, we don't immediately need to reach for pain relievers or other meds to get some relief. There are beneficial and healthy foods that can soothe our belly. Foods that will soothe upset belly. Chamomile. Chamomile is an herbal plant that can be dried and made into a tea or taken in supplement form. Many people swear by it to help them with an upset belly. Throughout the years, it's been a common remedy for belly discomfort. However, its gut-soothing properties are merely anecdotal. To say with certainty that it does help, more research is needed. Peppermint. Upset stomach may often be a symptom of IBS, a chronic gut disorder that is characterized by bloating, bellyache and diarrhea, and constipation. Peppermint may help in this case. According to researchers, peppermint oil may relax the digestive tract muscle and lower the spasms causing pain. Licorice. Nowadays, licorice supplement is taken by people struggling with upset belly because of acid reflux. It may be of aid to reduce stomach ache and indigestion from ulcers triggered by H. pylori overgrowth. This soothing herb may help lower inflammation and infection causing an upset stomach. Masmati rice. Rice is an anti-inflammatory grain rich in great nutrients that may help lower cramps and bellyache. The best option is plain basmati or wild rice, which is easier on the belly than some other types like brown or black that contain more fiber. Even though fiber is a great nutrient, it may impede the digestive processes when your belly is struggling. The resistant starch from it will help with the removal of toxins and thus, help in case of the stomach discomfort being caused by a bug. Bananas. Bananas, when ripe, can be a great food to soothe your belly. This is because when they're ripe, they're higher in enzymes that help the digestive process. The less ripe ones are harder to break down. Ripe bananas will reduce ache and supply you with pretty great nutrients, including vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium that play a role in digestive discomfort reduction.